Welcome to this tutorial, where I will guide you through the simple process of changing your name in the Calm app. Whether you want to update your profile or correct a mistake, this video will help you make the change quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Calm app on your phone. Once the app is open, locate and tap on the profile icon. Next, look for the settings icon at the top left and tap on it to access your account options. Then, scroll down and select Account Settings. After that, tap on Edit Account Details. Here, you will see your name. Now, look for the name field and tap on it to make changes. Type in your new name carefully, making sure it is exactly how you want it to appear. Once you have entered the new name, locate the Update button and tap on it to save your changes. Finally, exit the settings, and your new name will be updated in the Calm app. You can verify this by going back to your profile and checking the name displayed. Thank you for watching.